Hi everybody, and welcome to day 4 of ICAD 2020. So for this one, I'm having a play with some distress oxides and spray stains. So I'm starting out with some spray stain in Twisted Citron and some squeezed lemonade. I was going for bright colors, even though in the end it doesn't look overly bright. I'm taking ripe persimmon in a pad, ink pad, and doing the same technique pretty much. I have to say, the smush technique is my favorite thing to do with oxides and regular distress inks. So now I'm taking some tumbled glass and again doing the same thing. I was trying to find some different colors, like trying to step out a little bit. And I can honestly say the color combo that I do on this card I have never done before. Usually when I choose blues, I go for the more like teal, turquoise. Oh, I said that kind of funny. Can't speak. But anyways, I usually go for the more blue-green colors. So using tumbled glass was a little bit out of my comfort zone. It looks like I'm taking some crushed olive. And this is pretty much all I do for the whole entire background until I bring in a stencil. But the rest of the background is just smushing different colors of ink onto the paper. Now we have some picked raspberry. I always love the pop this color brings. It's a very pretty pink. See, that's gorgeous. See, I like it. Now the nice part. And I forgot to record it. I thought I was recording, but I forgot to hit the button. So I'm taking the Balzer Design stencil, mini art deco leaves. It's a Crafter's Workshop stencil. And I just took my NeoColor crayons and I scribbled on the stencil, just like I'm showing right there. And then I spritzed it with water. Good reenactment, hey? And then I laid it down on my card and blotted it with a dry baby wipe. And that's how I got that. And I love how that turned out. Just in case you couldn't tell by my clapping hands. And this background, see, this is the problem I have. I can do backgrounds, but the problem is what to put on top of them, especially when I do something like this and I don't want to cover it up. That's the struggle. So I'm just going around the edge with some tumbled glass. I can't remember where I heard it. It was a video I was watching. Maybe it's Dina Wakley. Not sure. Or Diane. She says not to fall in love with your backgrounds because they're a background. See, that sounds like either one of them could have said that. Just going around the edge with some blueprint sketch. But I fall in love with my backgrounds and then I don't want to cover it up. So I'm not very good at listening to that piece of advice. As you can see, I wasn't loving like the edge of the card. So I'm going in with yet another color, Ripe Persimmon. And all I'm doing with the dry baby wipe is just smudging the ink a little. I'm still not happy, so I take my scissors because I cannot find I have this distress thingy that roughs up the edge of the paper and I have no idea where it is. So I'm just using one of the blades on my scissors. Now I'm just taking a quote from Tim Holtz. I don't know which set it is. One of his sticker sets. I think his is called Small Chat, Small Talk, something like that. And it reads, "You are capable of becoming more than you realize." I decided to take another one of those Heidi Swap hearts, except this time I didn't color it with any ink, I just left it white. But I am going to take another piece of that tag that I used on another one of my ICADs. I'm just going to take a tiny piece of it and then bring it to my sewing machine and run a little stitch on it. And that is it for day 4. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.